Hey y'all, today I have something a little bit different to review, and I know you see me holding the Pocket Osmo. I'm not here to review this. There's probably 1,000 reviews about it already. I did get one of these, and I have to say I really like it. I'm not going to go through all the features and stuff. There's probably, like I said, 1,000 reviews out there, and you can go watch those. All I'll say is that I do like it. My favorite thing about it is obviously that it is super portable. And you put this in your pocket, and then instead of having to use your cell phone, you can actually have stabilized pictures and video everywhere you go. What I am here to review is this. I got this from, actually got both of them from FlyHighUSA, but these, they're not even available yet. Went and did some testing on it and going to review it. This is a Pocket Osmo handle. And it does a whole lot more than just a handle. See, one of the obvious things is if you're a larger guy like me, I'm 6'2" and I have bigger hands, my hand just kind of swallows this thing. It'd be nice, the controls are down here. See, I'm just barely holding on. It'd be nice to have a handle, but it'd be nice to have a little bit more than that. And we'll kind of go over some of the features. Before I get started, I want to say this is actually, you may not look like it in here. This is actually 3D printed. Just a little bit on 3D printing. Most of you seen 3D printing, and it, some of it turns out okay. That looks kind of coarse, gritty. Some of it's plastic. The stuff, any of you guys that have received 3D printed products from FlyHighUSA already know this. For those of you that haven't, they've got extremely high-end 3D printers that don't print in regular PLA or ABS plastics or whatever. It's a onyx-based material that also lays in solid strand carbon fiber. So what that means is it lays down this fine layer of composite material, onyx-based material, and then it takes solid strand carbon fiber. It can lay it between the layers, and you basically get something that's has the same tensile strength as of aluminum alloy. See if I can't get in here kind of close, and you can see that finish is just, it's just as good as it can. This is actually a nicer finish than a lot of injection molded products and stuff that you might get somewhere else. It's just a super polished product. So anyway, enough on that. So what does this handle do besides actually being a handle extension? First of all, on the back of it, I was thinking it'd be really nice to be able to use attach your Pocket Osmo to your GoPro type of stuff. So on the back of here you have one of those GoPro type of buckles or receptacle, if you will, whatever, and this is a GoPro attachment there. The fit is absolutely perfect. There's no slop, no wiggle. It locks in, and then from here on out I can attach this to a chest harness, you name it, a bicycle handle, clamps, or whatever you want. So very nice, and a nice fit on that. All right, the next thing that it has, let me go ahead and I'm gonna put the Pocket Osmo in here, and you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up just a little bit. All right, and what you can see right away, let's see if I can get in here close enough on it. The fit and finish on this thing, again, is just superior, superb. And the tolerances are as perfect as you can imagine. There are no seams, and then it's just as solid as can be. It doesn't wiggle, there's no slop, and again, you just tighten this thing down to clamp it in as tight as you want. Now the other thing that I want to point out on this is, as many of you know, the minute you try to put your phone onto here, now I'm obviously recording this with my phone, so you have to bear with me. I'm going to use my phone case for demonstrations, but you put your phone on here, and then you're either holding it by the phone, or it's just not right. So what this has is a nice hang on. Okay, a nice phone support that would go right there, that goes right there, and it has a U channel here for your phone. and then your phone just slides on here and then would connect like so. And now that would take, and whenever you're holding onto this, that would take and support your phone. Let me get out here a little bit. That will support your phone so that now your phone's not trying to fall off of that clamp. I don't think this is really designed for, you know, going and necessarily running in some kind of crazy sprint doing flips. But I think if you did, if I was going to use it for something like that, you could always just take and put a rubber band right around here, and then you could even throw this thing upside down and juggle with it if you wanted to, you know. But as it is, it holds on nice and solid. Your phone's not trying to fall off of there or anything else. So nice job on that. I do like this, and with the phone itself, it fits even better because again, this is my case. But with the phone itself, just sits on there really nice, and now you have a supported phone in your handle. And again, as you can see, for big hands like mine, I now have a good comfortable handle on this Osmo. And the other thing is, I might not want this on here all the time, so I do like the fact that if I don't want it on there, if I just need say the handle or something like that, or my GoPro, I can take that off, and now it's just a handle going around, so now I can hold it like so. All right. So again, we have the GoPro mount. Now, the last thing that we have is you know, what other feature would I want to do? Sometimes I don't want to hold this thing all the time. The Pocket Osmo does a good job, but I might want to put it on a tripod. So on the bottom of here, we have a tripod mount, and so I can take and put this to the bottom of here, move it over here, clamp it into, move those out of the way, clamp it into the tripod, and now I have my Pocket Osmo on the tripod. So it kind of takes care of pretty much everything that I wish that I could do with this Pocket Osmo, all into one fixture. Sorry, I don't know anything about the price or what he's going to price it at, or I don't even know if he's taken orders yet or not. I've just tested this thing. Gives it 2 thumbs up on this one. It just works out really good. And again, I got this from FlyHighUSA. So anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.